Should I just move it forward, or should I like take it around the block? Yeah, we get to drive the Shelby for once. Okay. Thank you, Abraham. You know, he been wanting me to whip this for a long time. I'm gonna take it around the block, eh? Oh, there's a Mustang right there.
Phone disconnected.
We'll go like one more street down. We'll go left.
Are you getting past? Straight. Yeah. You can come more.
Alright guys, so we finished up with the watt box install, and let me tell you right now, if I didn't have Abraham, I would not have been installing this, because honestly I'm really confused by the directions. The directions are not good at all. I'll try to make a video maybe about some of the footage I took, but overall, I mean, it's really difficult. I would definitely have someone who knows how to do it and has previous experience to actually do it, because I'm just not familiar with that stuff. We got the Shelby just chilling. Basically, as of now, we are just waiting on the software to download, which is taking forever because I didn't bring my laptop, so we're using one of their old laptops. So we're gonna just wait and see, and we will see you guys in a little bit, and hopefully we can get the watt box to start going. Everything is done, so hopefully, rest in peace engine. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but you know, we'll see.
You think you're cooler, man? You think you're cooler? What's this?
I don't know what's going on, but I'm driving Abraham's Fox, and the thing is going off the beater. I don't know what's going on, so hopefully I don't stall, and we'll see you guys. We gotta get my laptop, so we'll see you guys soon.
I didn't want to swing it. No four, baby.
Hey, I'm gonna shout out to HH Race Squad leader. So we've gotten Abraham got the watt box installed. So now we are just following the directions. So we haven't received that error. What we need to do is we need to configure it.
You guys put it on the fucking story.
That wasn't me. That was just the story. That was just the homies. So it does work. All right, cool. It knows that when you floor the car. Okay. All right, guys. The two-step, like I said, was installed. Big shout out to my buddy Abraham for helping me with the install. He did pretty much all of it because I didn't know how to do it. You guys can go follow him on Instagram. I'll put his profile somewhere up here. And we're gonna see if this shoots flames or if my engine fucks up, you know. Build the engine, so guys, please subscribe right now, because you know, I'm gonna need the money. YouTube needs to start monetizing me, but you know, they're playing. So let's see how this goes. It works. That's fucking dope. Thank you, man.
Did it happen? Do you think so?
Yeah. Loud.
Nah, do you think it's
that was a flame?
Nah.
That was a flame.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Your car pops though.
No,
like,
that shit was loud. That's a flame.
Hey, did you see this spark up on
I
the
know,
light?
that's the flame. Yeah. That was the flame.
No, I'm saying, did you see this shit spark up here?
Yeah, because it reflected.
You think? Oh
I
shit!
swear to God.
Yo, no, because I seen it
That
spark
was-
up there.
that- no, I know, I saw that. It was a reflection.
Oh, that's dope. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit!
Did you see it?
Shit! I kind of seen it.
Oh.
It did again. Oh fuck. that's when you pop when it popped.
No, yeah, because I spun hella bad and I hit the clutch in really fast.
So maybe that's
So like,
something
you're
you're
okay.
Yeah. Booming out in South Vanilla like Lou Will. 6 men like Lou Will. 2 girls and they get along.